Damn boy, that camera bump is, I mean, just look at it for yourself. It's thick as hell. Hey guys, it's Khalid here and welcome back to another video. Just a quick disclaimer, so the videos and material used are a collaboration between OnLeaks and Pig2 or Pigtao. I'll leave a link to the videos in the description box below, so make sure to check them out. Alright, so it's time to move on to the main point and talk about the main attraction, which is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus. So starting off with the dimensions of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus, we get a length of 165mm, a width of 77mm and a thickness of 7.6mm, but that's not including the massive camera module bump on the back of the phone. With the module included, we're looking at a thickness of over 10mm. The Note range of phones are supposed to be the true flagship of the Samsung Galaxy series, so we are likely to get extremely high specs, so the latest processor by Exynos, high amount of RAM and a beautiful display. But this time there is an omission, so on the S20 Ultra phone we got a megapixel count of 108, but that doesn't look like it will make its way onto the Note series. Talking about the camera system, so from the video you can pick out 3 lenses on the front, so we'll have an array of 3 cameras, and then you have a further 2 underneath the flash. They are periscope lens and a depth camera. Now I know they're just CAD drawings, but boy, why is that camera module so thick and so chunky? I mean, I don't think most people will care if the phone is a millimeter or 2mm thicker, as long as they have more space for batteries in there. At the end of the day, you'll get used to the slightly chunkier feeling, but you'll appreciate the more hours you'll get in terms of battery life. So it looks like the Samsung Galaxy isn't changing the design much, as that's been the case over the last few years. But the Note 20 Plus will have a 6.9-inch curved screen compared to the Note 20, which will have a flat screen. The S Pen has also been moved to the left-hand side, and there are speaker grills on the bottom. We'll also be getting a USB Type-C port along with noise cancellation mic at the bottom of the device. Quickly touching back on the camera module, so I'm not too sure if you've noticed, but there are some sort of color banding on the 3 camera lenses. So it looks like the ring color matches the color of the actual phone itself. So if you have a black phone, it'll be black. If you have a blue phone, it'll be blue. Can you get the point? I'm not too sure what I feel about this. It's almost like it's a bit too childish and something you wouldn't expect from a higher-end premium phone. Although the full specification hasn't been released yet, according to leaks and rumors, this is what I think the new phone will have. So we'll have a Exynos 992 processor, along with anything from 12 to 16GB of RAM. We'll have a 120Hz screen along with QHD resolution. Alright guys, so that was a quick look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus. Let me know what you think. Are you excited about it? What do you think about the camera bump on the back? If you enjoyed the video, then please don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. And as always, stay safe and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.